Somfy Connexoon is a great new way to simply, easily and cost-effectively control your Somfy RTS blinds, curtains and lighting from your phone. Somfy Connexoon Window RTS is the app control for your blinds, curtains and lighting. Connexoon enables you to control all your Somfy products from your phone, like a handset. Group products together, allowing all to be moved by pressing just one button. We call these scenarios or ambiances. For example, a morning scenario could enable all blinds to open, or an evening option to close them all. Use the timer to automatically operate your window blinds or curtains at specific times of day. Once set, sit back and the blinds will operate where they are needed. If you're away, the automation makes it look like someone is home, but Connexoon can do more. Use the Somfy RTS plug to switch a lamp off or on, or incorporate lighting into your timer commands. Not just lamps, control any appliance at any socket. For more elaborate lighting solutions, Philips Hue is fully compatible within the app. So let's just recap on what makes Connexoon Windows so great. Control blinds easily from your phone when at home or anywhere in the world. Automation made simple, blinds opening and closing automatically without lifting a finger. Add security by using the timer, making it appear someone is home. Increase comfort and reduce fuel bills by keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Fully compatible with all Somfy RTS interior products, old or new, and Philips Hue lighting. For more information, of course, check out our website at somfy.co.uk. But remember, get connected, get Connexoon. Thanks for watching.